Hi everyone, today I have the Surface Pro 6, my pen knife. We're gonna unbox it today. Alright, let's go. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, right here we have the Surface Pro 6. This is of course Microsoft's latest detachable notebook thing. So this is it itself. We'll put it aside. And I suppose if anyone who has watched the earlier Surface Go video, you can see that the packaging is very similar. So I suppose this is your quick start guide. Yep, I'm right. So this is your quick start guide. We don't need this. And this must be the power adapter. So let's take a look at this power adapter. Presumably it'll be bigger than the Surface Go's, but I think it looks about the same. It looks about the same size, but key difference is that this has a USB port, so you can actually use this to charge other devices, which is very handy, of course, if you're taking this whole thing and you're traveling. Now, let me just quickly show you some of the features and stuff about the Surface Pro 6 and how it compares against the Surface Go. Okay, this is the new Microsoft Surface Pro 6. Microsoft 6th generation tablet/detachable notebook PC. On the outside, everything is mostly the same. You have the same ports and dimensions, weight, things like that. But it comes in a new matte black colorway, which unfortunately we won't be getting. What we are getting is the old silver colorway, which Microsoft calls platinum, but as you can see, it's actually just silver. The display is still the same, 12.3 inches. It's a Pixel Sense display, but the contrast has been improved, so you will see better colors on it. Ports are still the same. So what you have here is a mini display port and a USB 3 port. No USB-C, no Thunderbolt 3. Don't ask me why. I really think Microsoft should put it inside, but it's not. And then what you have here is the Surface connector, which is for the power adapter. And underneath here, you have a micro SD card reader. So that's the Surface Pro 6. So let's take a quick look at how it compares against the smaller Surface Go right now. As you can see, the difference in screen size is quite substantial because the Surface Go's screen is only 10 inches. In terms of thickness, the two of them are about the same, both around 8 odd mm thick. So not much the difference there. The main difference is of course in the screen size and of course the weight. In the hand, obviously the Surface Go is going to be more portable, it feels lighter. And of course, the Surface Pro 6 comes with the same accessories as the last generation. So you have the top cover keyboard. This is the one with the fingerprint reader, makes login easier. And you also have the Surface Pen. Cost of the Surface Pen is the same, $148, and this type cover is $249. Accessories are quite pricey, and when you add it to the cost of the Surface Pro 6, the whole system starts to cost quite a bit. Surface Pro 6 comes in 5 configurations. The most basic config that you can get comes with a Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. That's 1398, which doesn't sound so bad. But the highest spec that you can get comes with a Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Now that machine is a whopping $3,488. And then you have 3 other models in between, which I would expound upon in the full review. Okay, speaking of the full review, stay tuned for that on HardwareZone.com. I'll be testing this system in the days ahead. I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Bye bye.